Hi everyone, hope you're all doing well. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Welcome to Raj's World of Tech and Tesla. So today's video I'm going to be going over my issue with my Tesla where I experienced a flat tire and how I went about dealing with that situation and what it ended up costing me with Tesla. I find that it's always a great idea to share this information for those people who want to purchase a Tesla. So it gives you an idea as to what type of cost you can expect from your Tesla. Even though there's zero maintenance on this car, there's still standard expenses that you do need to incur during your ownership. So stay tuned, and if you do like this video, please do subscribe so I can create more meaningful content for you all. Thank you. All right, so this is my 2021 Tesla Model Y. So when I was exiting the highway, it hit a pothole and it literally ripped my tire. So I had to call the Tesla roadside assistance. The mobile app didn't work, so I had to call them and they sent out the tow truck. That's the rip, so it was a pretty big damage. Alright, so one word of caution I would give you when you're using Tesla roadside assistance is they will only drop it off at the closest Tesla location to wherever you are. So in my situation, I was in Oakville, so they sent my car there. Now since it was after hours, so my tow truck dropped the car off, and what happened was I got an Uber ride back home and I picked it up in the morning. Now when the car was there, they did a full inspection of all four tires, like the tire depth, tire pressure, under goodwill, so there was no charge for that. But for the tire itself, because it was a big damage, they did have to replace it. They weren't able to fix it, so in that situation they charged me a total of $470. So out of that $470, the cost of the tire itself for that one tire is $400, which I found very expensive. And in terms of labor, it was $70 to replace that tire. This specific service center charges $175 per hour. So $70 is reasonable when you look at it in that aspect. So in total, to replace that one tire with a new say exact same tire, 255 45 R19, costed me a total of $531.10. So which is very expensive, but it is a Tesla, so it is what it is. So that's my total cost of replacing one tire at the Tesla dealership. So one thing I would say is, shop around for a cheaper tire if you can, but I think when things like this happen, you just gotta eat the cost. So yeah, that's my experience with that tire. If you do like my channel, please do subscribe. It will go a long way in creating more meaningful content for you. Thank you.